In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some crypto trading and investing tips and advice that I believe is going to help you to keep yourself safe, like keep your asset safe. This advice may seem basic, but trust me, it's those types of things that people easily just forget doing. Okay, so I want you guys to be aware of it so that you can stay safe, so that you can just make sure you don't lose your money. By the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you decided to check out this video. My name is Sarah, and on this channel I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, and I also talk about personal development and so much more. If you're interested in any of this topic, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. Okay, so tip number 1: when you are sending cryptocurrency to a different wallet address which you have never sent a cryptocurrency to, you want to always make sure, so tip number 1, you want to make sure that you do not send the whole amount to that new address. Never do that because it's very risky. It's very risky because if you got the wrong address, then your funds can be lost forever. Things just go bad down the road. You can lose that money. So you want to make sure that you always test it out with a small amount. Send a small amount to that new address to make sure that it actually goes through, and then once you see that the funds actually got to that address, then you can send the whole amount. So tip number 1, do not send the whole amount to a new wallet address or exchange. Okay, now for tip number 2, whenever you sign up for a decentralized wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, usually they provide you with a secret access code which you can use to access your wallet from multiple devices. This secret access code is very important. This is a code that you want to make sure that you protect. Keep it in a safe place that you'll be able to easily access it whenever you need. So the best place to keep this code is actually on a piece of paper or even a notebook that you will keep with you at all times and which no one will have access to. Make sure that you write your secret access code on a piece of paper, okay? Do not write it on your phone notepad or write it anywhere on a technology device, okay? Don't do that. That's actually very risky because if your phone was to get lost, stolen, or someone hack your phone or your computer, whatever, then it's going to be lost. So you want to make sure that you write your secret access code on a piece of paper or a notebook. On to tip number 3. Now, whenever you are sending cryptocurrency to a different wallet, this is a process that you want to make sure you do it very slowly and carefully, because it can be very easy to like mess up, like you might get the wrong address or you use the wrong network. So you want to always make sure that you're double or even triple checking the address that you're sending your crypto to. Always like triple check the address that you're sending the crypto to, triple check the network, make sure it is correct on both ends, because if it is not right, then you can lose your funds forever. You'll never be able to retrieve those funds. So this is very important. Always double check or even triple check the address and network that you're sending your crypto to. Now on to tip number 4. So there are 2 types of wallets which you can store your cryptocurrency to. First one is a cold wallet and the second one is a hot wallet. Now a cold wallet is usually more secure, and this one is recommended for long-term holdings. And a hot wallet, this one is less secure and it's usually recommended for like short-term trading or investing. Like if you're moving your funds back and forth to like different exchanges, then it's best you store your cryptocurrency on a hot wallet. However, if you're investing for the long term, you know, let's say a year or more, then you want to store your cryptocurrency on a cold wallet. And you can get a cold wallet on a site called Ledger. They provide one of the best and safest cold wallet out there in the market. This is all the tips I have for you guys for today. I know it's pretty basic, but it's gonna help you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Have a great day.